Just kidding, guys. What's up, everybody? Woo! We are back in the T dot, and we're heading to the HQ of Chaiwala Chai. Feels good to be home.
It does, doesn't it? We keep saying, can you believe we drove to Mexico?
It seems like such a ridiculous thing to do, but we did it, and it was so fun.
I kind of fixed. Oh, hey guys. I was just saying, I think it's really interesting because a big question we get is something as simple as mail. Like, what do van lifers do for mail? And all of the things that kind of ground you with a home, we still get that from our office. So not only do we get our mail to our office, but we run an entire company out of our office. And so yeah, there's like, we're kind of this mix of hippie, but also entrepreneur. Not a homebody, but we have a home base, and it feels good to be back.
Also very excited to see my toilet, very excited to see my skateboard, very excited. You'll see. Yeah, it's all good. Do you have a key?
Hot water!
Cool!
A toilet.
Toy!
An oven!
My basketball net. Feels good to be back at HQ. We're just debriefing with the one and only Bob. Say what up to the vlog.
Hey, what's up?
First things first, tea. Hello, Eamon speaking. Of course, yeah. We're sitting down to have lunch. Just want your input. What do you guys think about cold food versus hot food? Big fan of cold food over here. I heated my pasta up for 1 minute and 30 seconds.
And you put the cold pasta in it. It's basically like a pasta salad you're having.
Yeah, I can taste all the flavors.
But it's not even that hot. Like
6 minutes?
You could eat this. Welcome back to Toronto with us. Welcome back to our office. It's been like a really productive morning, so productive that I actually turned off my phone. I've had no outside distractions, and I've just been honed in on getting our business into tip-top shape. Excuse me, we're in 2 shows this weekend. Should I tell them about all these? We're vending at the Toronto Yoga Conference. I had 2 massive envelopes filled with all these passes. So normally it's about $15 to go to the show. And so, I don't know, we want to give these to you. Do you guys live in Toronto? If you're interested in a pass, maybe comment below, like Toronto Yoga Conference. And then we'll do a community post, if you guys are familiar with the community post, on where you guys can pick up all these passes. And you can come.
Disclaimer, this is not a meetup. We will need to be working the entire time.
That's a good point. This is not a meetup at these shows. We would love for you guys to come and meet us, but at the same time, we're working for our tea business. So make sure you sample some of our tea and stuff.
That was quick.
Yeah, it's literally right.
Becca's over there absolutely crushing it online. I'm gonna pack some orders.
I need a minute. Sometimes you just need a minute.
I don't know if you guys have seen our new gift sets, but I'm working on putting some of those together. You can either get it with the original masala chai or the rooibos. And you also get the cutest pot in the world. How nice is that? Still cut off. That's better. I don't know where Becca is.
Hi, buddy. Oh shoot, I forgot the book with all the... Okay, I'll go on the other side if you want. No, I have good posture.
I know, but your head gets cut off. You have to shrink down.
I look weird when I do
There's
this.
no other option.
Do you want to kick it off? We're much more awkward when we put the camera properly set up to like chat as opposed to just vlogging.
Yeah, I think so.
Bear with us, guys. So I
don't like doing these kind of videos.
I know you don't.
Everyone loves them. I just find them weird.
I know, but I think it's really important to sit down and chat with you guys and check in because we're back home in Canada. As you saw, we're back at the office, we're working, and today was a really cool, almost reset day for us, reflection day, and yeah, some exciting things have happened, and we wanted to just chat with you about all of them.
There's now 60,000 of you.
It feels crazy, but yeah, 60,000 of you guys have joined our little YouTube family here, and we're so excited about that. And we just want to say that we love you all, we appreciate you all, we appreciate you guys being engaged and chatting with us and creating a really great community. So
if you're not subscribed, be the 60,001 subscriber.
Yeah,
that could be cool for you.
Go for it, guys.
Yeah,
and,
so I think what's the plan of the talk here?
We just want to say thank you for our community, and a big part of that thank you is actually saying thank you for getting us home safe to Canada.
Talk a little bit about that?
Yeah, so
cool.
Do you want to start there?
Yeah, I mean, huge thank you from the bottom of our hearts. You know, we couldn't have done this without you guys. You are what keeps us motivated and basically running 2 businesses at once. Come on, this better be charged. Sorry guys, we lost you there. Mid-thought.
Starting the thought, or
okay.
Ending the thought there, so.
Yeah, so, I mean, you guys are the ones that motivate us to continue to work and hustle and stay up late and edit videos, so we are super thankful. On top of that, we want to talk about the engine. Guys, we had 502 orders, so I mean, that blew us away. But even the orders aside, just like the messages and the support from our community getting through, which was a super unexpected incident, really bailed us out and allowed us to continue our travels, and we just wouldn't be in the same position without you guys. So huge thank you from the bottom of our hearts for anybody that participated in that little fiasco.
Yeah, you guys gave Trinity a new heart, and without her new heart, we wouldn't be where we are today. So thank you guys, we love you guys.
And I hope it feels good that like you have that sweater or t-shirt, and that when you put that on, you're proud and you're like, yeah, like I contributed to Trin's heart.
Yeah, we were at the gym yesterday and someone walked in wearing the AFAR sweater and I started crying. It was so meaningful to me that she had supported us, and she was a friend from our gym, and it was just so special, and I hope that I see one of you out there wearing it, and I can't wait to get our own stuff. We're gonna have to get our own, and anyways, yeah, we're just so thankful. We're so excited for the next chapter, but before moving forward, we just wanted to take a look back and thank you guys for being a part of it with us. Back to the regularly scheduled vlog, or what do you think?
Yep, insert next clip now.
You know that it's a stinky fart when it's -10 and you'd still rather stick your head out the window.
Do you have a water bottle? All right, let's gym it. We're going to Romeo's class. You remember Romeo? There it is. Are you getting pumped?
Yeah, man.
You gotta like jump in little hops.
Well, I want to get my boxing gloves.
Yeah. Come on. Harder. Left. Take your time. Watch the pole. Thanks, bro. Appreciate it. Heading into Shoppers. Got to drop off a couple packages.
Oh, yeah?
Whew, it's all done for you.
Okay? Okay.
I won't lie, I was eating some Scandinavian swimmers.
I saw you. I heard it as well. Mr. Phonia never misses a swimmer.
I should probably wait till after dinner.
I thought we just went to the gym and we're healthy now. Oh, I am. I'm healthy now. I'm healthy now. Sugar's poison. Alright, guys, we're gonna make some dinner. What were you
Sorry,
saying?
buddy.
That's okay. Yeah, I look more tan than you. We're gonna go make some dinner. We're gonna tuck in for the night.
Charge up that vlog camera.
Charge up our vlog camera. Man, it feels good and weird and everything to be home. Doesn't it?
Mm-hmm. 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 All right, guys. Chickadee, check you later.
Like, subscribe.
Buddy. Why do you always say that?
Because I hope you guys will like it and subscribe.
Guys, let us know in the comments when she whispers that in the end of the vlogs.
You're always like,
does that make you like, oh, better like and subscribe?
Yeah.
Let us know, because if it does, we'll keep doing it. If it's annoying, then we'll stop doing it.
Hashtag.
Agreed?
Hashtag agreed. If
hashtag agreed or hashtag disagreed? Okay, bye. Surprise!